Hey und willkommen zurück zu einer weiteren Folge Wie crashe ich meinen PC? Nein, zu Cathy Ray natürlich. So, wir haben jetzt im letzten Part einen Umschlag bekommen. Den öffnen
There
wir
was a
jetzt mal.
floppy disk in there with a note taped to the back.
Kann ich mir das irgendwie angucken?
It's labeled boot.
Boot. Oh Gott, oh Gott, oh Gott, oh Gott, oh Gott, oh Gott. Habe ich was zu früh gemacht? Oh Gott, 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 oh Gott. Beenden wir kurz mal.
One, boot your computer using the blue floppy. 2, use the corrupt MBR utility to crash the file system of the computer. Take the floppy out and reboot. 3, call Clyde at 555-8181. Tell him your computer crashed and give him the error code on the screen. He'll come over and have a look. It shouldn't take too long for him to fix. 4, now comes the crucial part. You need to somehow make him log on with his admin account. 5, reboot and retrieve the admin credentials using the blue floppy. 6, reboot and log on using Clyde's admin account. 7, look for some kind of tool to remotely open my Ethernet port. Dorm B, room 8. That's it. And remember, if you mess up somewhere, just call Clyde and he'll have to take care of it. It's his job after all.
Zumindest haben wir mal seinen Namen und seine Nummer. Alles klar. So.
All right, time for some expert help.
Jetzt müssen wir ihn anrufen, ne?
IT, this is Clyde speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, I need you to come and fix my roommate's computer.
What seems to be the problem?
It won't start up. There's some kind of system failure with an error code on the screen.
Probably a hard drive failure. Which room are you in?
Dorm A, room 5.
I'll be there in a few minutes.
Thanks.
Hey, Clyde from IT.
Hi, come in.
My, oh my, now how did this happen?
I have no idea. It was like this when I started it up this morning.
Let's have a look. And presto, good as new.
That's perfect. Could you try logging on real quick just to make sure it works?
You go ahead, I'll wait.
Also ich weiß. Nein. Die heißt ja Summers. Aber Passwort weiß ich nicht. Keine Ahnung.
Oh, now look what I did.
For crying out loud. Let me try to log in with my account. Okay, everything seems to be in order. I've unlocked your account. Please, Try not to break anything else.
Oh, I'll try. Phase 1 complete.
Kann ich da jetzt was runterziehen? Admin und Netzwerk. Jetzt können wir uns da anmelden. So, das ist Admin. Netzwerk. Willkommen Kleid. Hahaha. Hä? Mal ganz kurz nochmal raus. Ich muss mal nur kurz die Diskette nochmal durchlesen. Muss ich da irgendwas?
1, 2. Use 3.
Ja.
Call 4. Now comes the crucial part. 5. Reboot and retrieve the 6. Reboot at 7. Look for some kind of
Wohnheim
tool to
B,
remotely...
Raum
Oh,
8.
that's it.
Okay.
All right, that should do it.
Okay, dann haben wir das jetzt fertig. Dann können wir ja den eigentlich wieder runterfahren. Jetzt können wir den Hacker anrufen. Gott, ist das kompliziert.
Yeah?
Guess what?
You got it? Hang on. Oh man, I could kiss you! Figuratively, that is. I am so gonna get back at Clyde now. What are those admin credentials, by the way?
Not telling, buddy. Saving those for a rainy day.
Huh. I suppose this nice floppy I've prepared for you stays in my room then.
Sure, then I'll just have to log back on and click that pretty little lock icon again.
Now this is just emotional blackmail.
Quid pro quo, Dave.
Fine. I'll have it dropped off at your room. God damn, you're like a she-Clyde. A Clyde-esque.
Huh, that is the worst insult I have ever heard. Later, Dave.
Das geht aber schnell.
I'll just get rid of these notes now. I don't need them anymore. There was a floppy disk inside.
Dann haben wir hier eine... Oha! Software installiert, okay. Warte mal, ist das... Wir haben doch hier einen Scanner.
It's some advanced... This picture is in good shape. I don't think it...
Ah, da weiß ich ja welches Bild. Das hier. Gott, alles um das Bild hier ein bisschen scharf zu machen. Ah, hier ist das genau. Helles Bild. Das könnte ich sein.
What the hell is that? Ball lightning? I'll print the whole picture for now, but there's probably more to find. I already have a copy.
Die hellen Anomalien formen ein leicht schräges gleichzeitiges Dreieck.
That shape has to be significant somehow.
Hä?
Unusual flower over there, though. Never seen anything like it. Maybe worth printing? Okay, I'm pretty sure that's all there is to find in this picture.
Soll ich das auch ausdrucken?
I don't want to print that part.
Okay.
I don't want to print that part of the image.
Okay. Was ist das? Kann Audiodateis auch reinziehen? Jetzt muss ich aber trotzdem noch was nachschauen. Habe ich überhaupt irgendwo eine Audiodatei? Das ist nur die Bootdiskette, aber die brauche ich ja gar nicht mehr.
I'll just get rid of the original picture now, since I have the restored version anyway. Strange. Now that I look at them, the lights remind me of something I picked up yesterday. It's some advanced...
Was?
It's some advanced scanner thingy. It can scan pictures, take... I don't see any need to scan this tape. The other one might be more useful.
What? Wieso kann ich eine Kassette? Hä? Hallo?
Okay, Erica Wade, let's see if we can't motivate you to hear me out.
5 verschiedene Stimmen gefunden, im Abschnitt unterteilt.
You've reached the Rain residence. You've reached the Rain residence.
I don't think I need to manipulate this particular voice recording.
Leave a message after the beep.
Alles an aus Baby bekommen besuchen, bin's Charles, dachte dann. Okay.
Hello, Joseph, Mrs. Rain. It's me, Charles. I thought I'd give you a call. Erica just had her firstborn. It's a boy. Thankfully, he looks nothing like his father. Listen, I was thinking maybe you'd like to come and visit. And what about your little Kathy? Maybe she wants to see the baby.
I should probably greet my intended recipient first. I should probably greet my intended...
Interner Fehler. Was ist denn hier los?
What the hell? Calm down, Kathy. Think. Just think. It has to be some sick joke left in the program by Dave. Yeah, that must be it. He is one twisted fuck.
You people make me sick. We're never coming back.
Was ist denn hier los?
Joseph, you there? It's me, Cocky.
I don't think I need to manipulate the...
Hello, Joseph, Mrs. Rain. It's me, Charles. I thought I'd give you a call.
I should probably greet my intended recipient first.
Hello, Joseph, Mrs. Rain. It's me, Charles. Hello, Joseph, Mrs. Rain.
I should probably greet my intended recipient first.
Hello, Joseph, Mrs. Rain. Hello, Joseph.
Warte mal, es ist ja...
You people make me sick. We're...
Das ist gar nicht so einfach gerade hier. Verfügbare Wörter.
Hello, Joseph, Mrs. Rain. It's me, Charles. I thought I'd give you a call. Erica just had her firstborn. It's a boy. Thankfully, he looks nothing like his father.
I should probably greet my...
Listen, I was thinking maybe you'd like to come and visit.
I should probably greet my...
And what about your little Kathy? Maybe she wants to see the baby. Well, anyways, I hope to see you soon. All the best. Bye.
I should probably...
Ja, wie denn? Was denn? Ha?
You people make me sick. We're never coming back. Don't call.
I should
Don't
probably...
write. If you ever try to contact us, I will call the police.
Joseph, you there?
I should probably greet my intent...
It's me, Cocky.
I should probably...
It happened to me too. And I'm not going to tell any...
Eric, listen. I was thinking maybe you'd like to come and visit. And what about your little Kathy?
It happened to me too. It's me, Cocky. It happened. It happened to me.
I don't think I need to manipulate this particular voice recording.
It's me, Cocky. It's me, Cocky. There?
I don't think I need to manipulate... I don't think I need to manipulate... I don't think I need to... I should probably greet my intended recipient first.
Es muss sich in diesem befinden.
I don't think I need to manipulate this particular...
Hello, Joseph, Mrs. Rain.
I should probably greet my intended recipient.
Hello, Joe. It's me, Charles. I thought I'd give you a call.
I should probably greet my
It's Erica just had her firstborn.
I should probably...
Ja, Leute, ich habe jetzt gerade keine Ahnung. Wie es hier weitergeht, sehen wir beim nächsten Mal. Bis dahin, Fun und tschüss.